Mahigit 16,000 ang nanood ng laban ni Manny Pacquiao at Ricky Hatton sa MGM Grand Arena. At tulad ng inaasahan, star-studded ito. Naroon sina Mariah Carey, Jack Nicholson, Sugar Shane Mosley, Bernard Hopkins, Denzel Washington, Mark Wahlberg, rapper Jay-Z, at P. Diddy. Kasama naman ni Pacquiao sa kanyang entourage ang wrestler na si Dave Bautista na may dugong Pilipino. 2 taon na raw nakikiusap si Bautista sa kampo ni Pacquiao na makasama ito.
That's what felt good too, seeing the flag raised and wave back and forth and have all the Filipinos share and Manny's just representing that. It's a good feeling.
Ang fans ni Hatton na noong weigh-in ay todo pansyaw kay Pacman at sa mga Pinoy na tahimik sa pagbagsak ng kanilang idolo sa second round.
Wasn't really much of a fight, to be fair, was it? Wasn't much of a fight. Pacquiao, too good. Too good. I love Pacquiao now, man. He's awesome. I love Pacquiao.
Ang hitman, di nagtagal sa MGM Grand Arena. Isinugod ito sa ospital para ma-check up. Si Manny Pacquiao naman, nag-uumapaw ang saya.
Masaya ako at maraming salamat sa mahal na Panginoon. Ang fight ko ay para sa alay ko sa mahal na Panginoon at sa mga kababayan kong Pilipino.
Ayon kay Coach Freddie Roach, nasunod daw ang game plan nila noong unang round pa lang, kaya di nakaporma si Hatton kay Manny.
We knew that Ricky Hatton caught his punches, and if he caught his punches, the short right hook on the inside can beat him to the punch. We can beat him to the punch, and he did it every time, and it worked perfectly.
Mula rito sa Las Vegas, Nevada, Connie Sison, GMA News.